What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Auto Addicts. Hope you guys are having a good day today. We're super excited to be seeing our client Eddie back here for another new mod that he's going to be adding to his Gen 6 Supercharged Camaro. What is he even going to be adding? Well, when we first met him, we added the T2 Anderson Composite's carbon fiber hood. One of the cool things about this car that it's actually supercharged, so there's a lot of power that's being driven behind this car. In order to secure his hood and make sure it's nice and safe, it's got to have some nice hood pins. So we're going to be adding 2 hood pins on each side of the hood so it can secure it and make sure it's steady and durable, so when he goes and takes it to the track, it's well compatible with the hood pins that Anderson Composites and us prefer to add with this T-hood. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get started and show you guys the highlights on the labor service and show you guys the end results when everything's over. As you can see, Eddie's equipped with the quick clutch hood pins on each side of his T2 carbon fiber hood. One of the reasons why he wanted to add these hood pins is because he tracks his Supercharger RS Camaro. So this is the perfect product to make sure that the hood is fully durable and protected without even having to fly or open up on him. We've had an incident with one of our customers that was rocking a carbon fiber hood on his Mustang and it actually flew on him. So if you track or race or you put your car to a test, whether you have an LT all the way to a Xeon 1 or an EcoBoost Mustang all the way to the GT500 bumper, if you buy a carbon fiber hood from us, we definitely require to add hood pins for more durability and to protect your carbon fiber hood from not flying away from your car. Another cool thing that you must add to when you buy a carbon fiber hood is the heat shield. The heat shield will protect it from the UV and all the heat and the energy that hits on the carbon hood from the sun. So 2 things when you buy a carbon fiber hood, if you race or put your car to test: hood pins and heat shield to make sure you're fully protected. Hope you guys liked this video. Hopefully you guys had a good chance of looking exactly what it takes to install hood pins on a carbon fiber hood. If you guys are interested in this, all the information will be listed below on the description so you guys can purchase this directly from our website. And if you guys are local to us, we can offer full-on labor service. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you like the hood pins added on those T2 carbon fiber hood. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you guys subscribe. We have a lot more content coming out for you guys. Hit that bell notification button so every time we post, you guys are fully alerted. I can't wait to show you guys what's next. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.